Growth mindset believes abilities can be developed through effort and practice. It focuses on learning and improvement. But how can I achieve it? Well, first, you need to view challenges as opportunities to grow. You need to embrace your failures' feedback and remind yourself, I can learn from this. Replace fixed and negative thoughts like, I'm not good at this, with something like, I can learn here and how can I get better? Try new strategies and ask for help. You need to learn from others. You need to step outside of your comfort zone and don't forget to celebrate progress, not just outcomes. Nurture growth mindset to unlock your potential and continue developing. Remember, you cannot undo the past, but you can learn from it. Make sure to cope ahead of time and find out what can be done differently. The key is focusing on improvement, embracing challenges, learning from your failures, being open to feedback, celebrating small wins, and believing abilities can be developed.